Well, autumn has finally arrived, and with it comes a whole variety of new jobs to do in the garden. Now, here are my top 5 tasks to do in October. Number 1, hedges and edges. Autumn is an opportune time to cut back your deciduous hedgerows, tame that late summer straggly growth, and get everything cut back in readiness for the autumn and winter months ahead. Number 2, give your lawn some loving. While summer is all about mowing, autumn is scarifying season. Scarify your lawn to dethatch and demoss for a healthier, happier lawn next summer. Use a cordless scarifier or springtime rake to dethatch and declutter your lawn. And here's a top tip. For scarifying success, wait for a dry, breezy, bright autumn day to blow away any surface moisture on your lawn. Number 3, rip out, replant and restore your beds and borders. Every year it does this. Every year. As sad as it may seem, it's now the time to remove that expired summer bedding, rejuvenate your soil and replant it with bulbs and autumn bedding. If you've got larger areas of beds and borders, then the easier way to tackle that terrain is by using a cordless tiller to aerate and rejuvenate your soil. Now here's a top tip, especially when it comes to planting bulbs. The optimum depth for a bulb to be planted is 3 times the depth of the bulb size. Number 4, animate your autumn. With your soil sorted, it's time to flood it with colour. There are a whole variety of wonderful autumn bedding plants which will delight your eyes and create fantastic colour throughout those darker, greyer days. So grab your trowel, get stuck in and make your garden awesome this autumn. And number 5, feed your feathered friends. Whilst there is a bounty of berries on display across hedgerows and shrubs in your garden, it won't hurt just to put out a little bit extra for our feathered friends. You might even entice some migratory birds to come and dine in your garden. It's a great way to keep the birds happy and to put a smile on your face throughout those autumn months. Don't forget, if you're looking for tools to make your autumn more manageable, you can always check the link out at the end of the video.